How to fix the finals not launching on Windows 10 and 11. So if you want to fix the finals not launching on your Windows 10 and 11, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your Steam application. After opening your Steam, you just need simply go with Steam, which will be in the top left, and then go with settings. Once you're in your settings, you need to go with downloads and you will have your download region, right? You need to go with the region and make sure that you've selected correct region. Once you're done with it, you need to just scroll down a bit and then you'll find the option of download cache. You need to simply go and clear the cache. Go with clear, which will be on the right side, and then go with confirm. After that, you need to go with the storage section, and here you need to go with your local drive. You need to go with the three dots, which will be on the right side, and then go with repair library. Once done, you need to close this, and then you need to go with the library section. Now here, if you are facing the problem with the finals, then you just need simply go with the finals game. In my case, I don't have that game. Like if you're facing the problem with the game, you need to just simply go and click on that game. Like for example, I'll go with this one. You need to right click on that and then you need to go with property. Now under properties, you'll find all of the other options right here. You need to go with install files and then go with verify integrity of game files. It might take a few moments. Once it's done, you can go with browse, which will be in the top right. Once you click on browse, it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you'll have the .exe file. Once you find the exe file, you need to right click on it and then you'll find the properties option. Under properties, you need to go with compatibility and then turn on these two options, which is disable full screen optimizations and then run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and then OK. After that, try to relaunch the game and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need something to go with your graphics settings. So search for graphics settings, which will take you to the system settings section. Now here, you need to just simply go with browse and then go and select your game. After selecting your game, you'll have your game right here. You need to just simply click on that game and then you will have options. Click on options and make sure that you've selected Hyper and then go with save. Or you also go with the NVIDIA application if you have the application and make sure that you've installed the latest drivers. You can download the latest version of your graphics card and your problem will be fixed. Or you can also just simply go with your display adapters, which will be under your device manager. So search for device manager under your control panel and you'll get this kind of interface. Now you just need simply go with display adapters and then go with your display adapter like your graphics card. Right click on it, go with update driver. After updating, you can just simply go and restart your device and that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.